What's going on? This is Addison from Id.4 Car Company, and I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to use the auxiliary climate control system in your Volkswagen Id.4. Let's get right to it. Alright, so in order to get to this, you go right down here on the menu and you press on this icon right here, which says auxiliary climate control. It's all abbreviated, super cool. And what you're shown right off the bat is this. You got temperature, and right now we're at 24.5 degrees Celsius. But basically, this system in a nutshell is you can actually have your temperature set in your vehicle every morning at a specific temperature at a specific time. So let's just say you're living in Rexburg, Idaho. It is the middle of winter and you want a heated car, heated seats, ASAP. Well, guess what? You can do that with this car. You can actually set the temperature in your vehicle before you can even step a foot inside of it. So it is definitely a comfortable zone. All right, so how do you do it? Well, you go to departure and you actually can have these different times right here. So let's just say I want to have my car warmed up on Wednesday. So let's just set it to around 9:30. 9:30. Then what you do is you go right here, press that arrow, and you just click on this and it'll say right here, next departure time, Wednesday, 9:30 a.m. and it will be at 27 degrees Celsius just for me in the morning. And something else that's really cool about this is it's got an automatic window defarger, baby. Let's go! Seats that you want to have preheated. So right now we got the driver's seat and the passenger seat all being preheated, but I don't want this one to be preheated because that'll waste electricity. So I'll just push on that and boom, just the driver's seat will be preheated. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial about how to use the auxiliary climate control feature in this vehicle, and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya!